Look at these people coming. Soaked. I tried things. I try to get inside the house, baby. I swear I did. Raining and it's been storming every single day this week, and I was like, hopefully I can get down to the waterfront before the storm or the rain hits again. We're gonna keep it moving because hopefully by the time I get there it'll stop, so we can only see. So I made it to the riverfront. It's pouring down raining and it is lightning, it's thundering. I guess I missed the window. I guess I should have got up earlier. Look at these people coming. Soaked. I tried things. I tried to get inside the house, baby. I swear I did. Damn, this is crazy. But whatever, it is what it is. The storm has passed, but it is still raining. So I was like, why would it sit here until the rain starts to let up, right? Thinking it was gonna let up, you know, 10-15 minutes it was gonna pass. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, this. I'm gonna go ahead and go. It sucks because I was like so excited to get out. I wanted to walk on the riverfront with my dog. Okay. Crazy. That just upset me so much. Damn, Casey. I'm sorry, buddy. Many memories at this park. Just a quick pit stop. Somebody's random bike. My dog can pee real quick. I figured why not. I haven't been down here in years. So yeah, that's what we doing. Try not to get myself too wet. I got all slides, a mess. I was not prepared for this weather and I'm so upset. All right, so after today's sorry attempt getting out the house to do something, it's still raining. So I'm about to go into Liquor Barn and find me a little bottle of wine or something. All right, let's go in here.
What do you do?
Content?
Yeah.
What kind of camera is that?
Yeah, you on camera? No, I'm just playing. Nice.
Yeah, it's gotta be a nice
One to where I'm about to give it back to her because I am not trying to pay for it.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you all.
No, I appreciate you. Keep doing what you're doing.
So I'm back home after a unsuccessful day of trying to get out the house and do something. After I left Liquor Barn, I was gonna come straight home and I was like, oh, I really want to make nachos for dinner tomorrow. Went ahead and stopped at the store and got some chips, cheese, lettuce, taco seasoning, all the fixings to make my stuff for tomorrow. Oh, I already have some sour cream in here. Wait, when is this expire though? A mess. So I'm gonna throw this away because it is July 2025. I need to feed my dog. I need to feed myself, but I'm about to shower because I'm soaked. I'm just covered in rainwater. So I'll hit you back later on.